Meet NextDock, a versatile 14-inch monitor with a built-in battery and Bluetooth keyboard at a fraction of the cost of a laptop. NextDock turns your Windows 10 smartphone into a fully functional laptop. Or you can connect it with the world's smallest PCs for a cost-effective computer on the go. With a full-size keyboard and screen, you can experience real productivity with even the smallest of tablets. Connect NextDock to a Raspberry Pi computer and create the world's most affordable full-size laptop. You can also use it with your iPhone to play games on a bigger screen, or add a wireless display adapter and watch movies or TV shows from your Android phone. It's also a great secondary monitor for your laptop. When you're traveling or working in a temporary office or co-working space, you can set up a multi-screen workstation with ease. After extensive research and development, we have our working prototype ready, and now we need your support to meet the minimum order quantity for mass production. Pledge now and be one of the first to experience NextDock. Once we reach our goal, we can begin working on production right away, and we'll ship NextDock to you anywhere in the world in a few months. NextDock is the first crucial step in our vision to design docks with better integrated peripherals. Thanks to the new USB Type-C port, we can develop better integrated mini PCs so that you can use NextDock with the processor and operating system of your choice. Imagine a computer that one day you can use as a Chromebook and the next day as an Ubuntu developer laptop. Imagine a longer-lasting computer that you can easily upgrade and customize to become a powerful Windows gamer laptop. Smartphones will eventually become the only computer we need. By separating processor and operating system from the display, we hope to start a paradigm shift in consumer electronics, where computers can be adapted to match your exact needs, generating less electronic waste for the environment. We envision a world where we carry only our mini PCs, which connect to any screen in the world to turn them into tablets, laptops, and PCs. Pledge now and help us take the first big step in turning that vision into a reality.
Hi, I'm Rick Dickinson. I was the industrial designer for the Sinclair ZX range of personal computers, including products such as the ZX81, the ZX Spectrum, the QL, and others. Today it gives me great pleasure to reveal my concept designs for the Sinclair Vega Plus handheld concept. Enjoy.
You already know how much fun it is to ride your bike. You already know that riding a bike is good for your mind, body, community, and your wallet. But what happens when you want to ride your bike but you have stuff you need to take with you? Stuff like children, pets, toys, groceries, tools, surfboards, packages? Introducing the Box Bike, a cargo bicycle built for everybody who wants to ride a bike and take their stuff with them. My name is Alex Yazbek. I used to ride my bike to my engineering job every day. Then I decided to quit my job and become a stay-at-home dad. Everything was perfect except for one little problem. I still wanted to go everywhere by bike, except I couldn't with 2 children. I decided to form the Box Bike Collective with the help of a diverse group of bike riding parents, engineers, bike makers, bike advocates, and bike nerds. Our goal was to design the ideal cargo machine. The box bike is the result of years of trying every kind of bicycle, tricycle, bike trailer, kid seat, and luggage rack we could find. We threw out the options that didn't work and took the best concepts, refined them, added electric assist, and then refined them some more. The box bike is a bicycle that does it all. We focused on creating a bike that has high-quality components that we would want for a bike that is used every day. The bike includes electric assist, but you still have to pedal. There is no throttle, as this is a bicycle, not an electric scooter. Best of all is how the box bike rides. The two-wheel design means it is fast, nimble, and fun. The box bike corners like a normal bicycle. The low center of gravity makes it incredibly stable going down even the steepest of hills, and the electric assist helps you breeze back up. The bike is designed to fit a wide range of riders and should suit almost anybody who wants a versatile cargo-carrying bicycle.
The box bike has changed our lives. The kids love it, I love it, and the car stays parked. And plus, it's fun and easy to ride around town.
At the Box Bike Collective, we believe in a better world through progressive business practices. We believe that businesses should be part of the community they serve and that employees should have an ownership stake in the company. We also believe that every business should have a strong commitment to environmental sustainability. This is something that can be hard to ensure when your product is made by a contractor halfway around the world. As a result, each box bike is handmade and assembled locally at the Box Bike Collective. By selling directly, we can get you a high-quality product with quality components at a much lower price point than if the product had gone through the more traditional supply chain of manufacturer to brand to distributor to retailer to you. Our dream is to have a Box Bike Collective deliver a bike directly to you. Initially, bikes will be shipped complete to your doorstep. We have made our first prototypes and now we want to scale up production. Reaching our goal will allow us to make this a reality, making the box bike available to everyone who wants to ride a bike while taking their stuff with them. This is something we think the world needs now, but we can't do it without your support. All of this adds up to a great product at a great price that was made locally in an ethical way. We hope you agree that this is something worth supporting.
Hi! How many times did we make spelling errors while typing with our smartphone?
How many times did we give up writing a text message with our smartphone just because the text was too long or complex, impossible to handle with the built-in keyboard of our device? Or again, how many times we had to carry a heavy laptop on a business trip or on holidays just to answer emails or write a simple text document?
Well, if it happens to you, then you are in the right place. Hello Kickstarter, my name is Mario Bertucci. As you can hear, I'm Italian and I am one of the inventors of ViKC. The idea came from the need to quickly write text with our smartphone, without carrying with us external keyboards or notebooks. We realized many other people had the same issue. So here we are, showing you our virtual keyboard cover, ViKC. ViKC has been conceived for everyone. From the student coping with his class notes, to the businessman traveling, or even housewives busy with shopping lists. By integrating a laser keyboard into a cover with a slim and modern design, we reach the result we had in mind. A laser keyboard perfectly integrated with the phone. The cover has an on-off switch, so that it can be used only when we need it. LED lights indicate the battery level, and the stand at the back allows to lean the smartphone up to 5 degrees, depending on the model and the front camera position.
You won't need anything else, and it will always be with you.
There is no data connection between the phone and the cover, and there are no sensors. Finger movements are captured exclusively by the front camera and the ViKC vision software. Thanks to a preset grill, the front camera recognizes the position of every button. As a result, the hardware is light, energy efficient, without transmission delays, and most of all, precise and handy.
Here we are asking for your support, hoping you like our product.
Without you, we cannot distribute it on the global market, make it suitable for all the available devices, and improve its functions up to the best. Thank you.
Hey folks, this is Kobe from Rocketship Systems. I'm here to talk to you about our new robotics design called Boxbotics. The idea for Boxbotics has evolved over the last several years. We run a small shop that turns out robot parts, and we get a lot of phone calls and emails from people trying to integrate new technology and sensors, but they lack the robot to put them on. So we designed a system that's easy to hack, make, use, and sustain. And we made it all open source. Boxbotics is that system. Before we go further, let's talk about what Boxbotics is not about. Boxbotics is not about Rocketship Systems building 1 million robots. Boxbotics is about building a community of 1 million people who want to design and build their own robots. We believe by enabling people to move the design-build cycle closer to where the robots are used, we can achieve a much more usable and sustainable robot ecosystem. Imagine walking into a local robot shop to sit down with the same people who will help you design, build, and sustain a robot that meets your exact needs. Imagine schools and universities using Boxbotics at the core of a STEM robotics program. Imagine a Boxbotics microfactory in a trailer that can respond to large disasters such as Katrina and Sandy. These are the visions for Boxbotics, but we need your help to take this next step. With your support, we would like to build a strong open source community with the ability to collaborate around new ideas, build and test more BBOT variants to improve our documentation, as well as create and share detailed build videos. And we would like to increase our manufacturing throughput so we can deliver Boxbotics kits to you, our backers, on time and on budget. Thanks very much for watching, and we look forward to your support.
The Dynamic Shield is an electronics board that works with the Arduino Do microcontroller. Its purpose is to make it very easy to build robots using Dynamic Cell Smart Servos, regular servos, and off-the-shelf Grove and Robot Geek modules. By connecting just a few wires to the shield, you can build really advanced robots quickly and easily. You can purchase Grove and Robot Geek modules that plug in with a single cable. There are tons of modules available for all kinds of applications. Best of all, using them with the Dynamic Shield is almost effortless. Let's say you want to build a robot arm. Just plug in 5 connections from the robot to the shield, upload your control sketch, and you have a working 5-degree of freedom robot arm with motor and pressure sensor feedback. Or say you want a wireless hexapod robot. Just 3 connections and a new sketch, then your hexapod is chasing the kids around the room. The Dynamic Shield can control AX, MX, and XL smart servos using a serial network. This gives you the ability to query the servo for important feedback like its current position, velocity, and load. In the software library that's provided with it, makes interfacing with the servos a snap. The Dynamic Shield has bidirectional level shifters to convert many of the DU's 3.3 volt signals into 5 volts. It also has standard 3-pin connectors for analog inputs and outputs, regular servos, and Robot Geek sensors. Even better though is the large number of Grove connectors with 7 digital, 4 analog, 2 serial, and 2 I2C Grove lines. This gives you tremendous flexibility for how you want to build your machines.